Hello everyone, my name is Landon and I'm going to teach you how to finger knit. So here, these are your utensils. Your fingers, your hands or whatever. You can try left hand or right hand. And the other one is your ball of yarn. Alright, here you do it. First it'll go between your thumb and your first finger. So you'll put it in there, like that. Then loop it over this finger. Then go under that, your middle finger. Then basically do that. And I'll show you here. You'll do that. Go back over it again, this way. Then you'll go again and again, like that. The next, you'll pull the bottom one over your pinky or your first finger, which I like to do it by my pinky. We'll do that through all your fingers, like that. Then your small, pull that tight. Then here, and you'll go again like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And start with your pinky or your first finger again. And there. That's right, I made 3. Don't get frustrated if you mess up, okay guys? Pull on that, not too tight. And you'll go again, like this, like you were doing. Try again. Oopsie. There you go. My brothers are laughing right now. And just keep on doing that a couple times. I'm gonna pause for a minute and go back through it like you will do it a couple of times, and I'll show you the rest in a minute. So I made it a little longer, probably about 2.5 feet, 2 feet. So here. So here you go. I'll teach you again if you mess up. So here, it'll be kind of in here. Then you'll go over this finger like I showed you, like that. And you'll loop this back over, that back over, that and that. You try it a couple of times, but I'll try again. Like that. So there. And you'll go again. So now I'm going to teach you how to end it. So here, you won't use this anymore. Use this, alright? Put this on that finger, this on that finger, then loop them like that. Then you'll move this one on this finger, then you'll loop that. Take this, take it with this, and tie. And here, also what you can do is this. You can use this little piece as a tongue too, also, and you could like get googly eyes for here and here. You can make a snake, Or you could just cut this off and use this and put it on a nail. And that's how you finger knit.